This is probably the most easiest and fastest way how you can make money online today, right now, regardless where you are or what you have done so far. So in this video, I will show you 3 ways how to make money with Canva.
Let's begin, shall we?
Let's dive in. The first way I'm about to show you how you can make money online by using Canva.com is the easiest one, the quickest way you can do that. It also won't pay you maybe the most amount of money, but that's why stick with me until the end of this video, because I have sorted these options from the easiest one with the less potential earnings to the one that might take a little bit more in time and effort, but also will pay you the most.
That is a lot of money.
So the option number 1, how you can make money by using Canva.com, is to create and design logos. Now you might have heard this before, but it's actually a really good way how to set up some side hustle and make some money constantly. So if you come on Canva.com and type for logos, now you can see you have over 26,000 templates you can use to customize and design your own logos. So if you scroll down, you see logos suitable in all different type of niches. Now I will show you the websites where you can go and then sell your logos. Now let's quickly just have a look and click on one of them. Okay, so for example, let's take this one called Human Cycle, which is supposed to be a logo for medical consultations or something like this. Okay, so once you have opened this logo, you already see all a different concept of it in different colors. Now to edit this, all you have to do is click on one of these elements like here, and you can then change them. You can change the colors by clicking on the colors, selecting your own colors. You can change the text by simply typing, and then again apply all different fonts or colors, or there are some more effects you can use on your text. Okay, again, you have another text layer here. You can delete them, you can amend them, you can go on the elements and search, for example, medical. Okay, and you see all sorts of elements again. So from here you can come on graphics to select only the graphics you could use on logo. And again, once you choose one of these elements, you again can design them and change the colors. So you don't have to stick with what you see here. You can still change and put your own spin, your own design on all of these elements. So as I said, you have over 26,000 templates you can use here, and I'm very sure you can find something related, and if not, you can always come and start from the blank and you would do the same thing. You would just come on the elements. You have options also selecting preset text layers like this here. You can just take one of them. It's already giving you preview how that will look like, or you can go from the blank, add your text, and then come in and change the font, set some other effects and settings right here, and just design it from the blank. Well, the templates gives you option to actually see some preset design. So if you don't have any experience with the logo designs, it's still extremely easy to get the design done here on canvas.com. So where do you sell your logos to make some money? Now if we head to the site called fiverr.com, which is freelancing site, and we type logo on a search bar, you can see there are over 280,000 people selling logo services, and they have loads of reviews, and they do have orders in the queue. So for example, if we look on this luxury fashion clothing brand logo design, and they charge £23. Since I'm United Kingdom, I see the prices in pounds for the basic package. And then you look, they have 8 orders in the queue. So if you quickly do the math, you know that they are making over £180 every 3 days, because that's the delivery time for this package. And again, that's the minimum amount they are making, because that's the basic package. I'm definitely sure that there are some orders in this queue from the premium package as well, which is worth over £100. So, but even let's say it's just a basic package, it would make around $250 in 3 days. So, and as you can see, these logos are not complicated. It's just a single element and some text layer that you can easily get it done on canva.com. Now, Canva do have free and premium pro version. So if you are designing logos, let's say, let's go back and take one of these logos. For you to be able to download the logo in a PNG format with a transparent background, which is most likely what your clients will require, you would have to come here and select transparent background, which is Pro paid premium feature. Now Canva Pro is the account I'm using right now, and it costs me around $10 every month, but I will leave the link in the description. So if you go ahead and click on that link, you will be able to use a Canva's Pro premium version for 1 month. And I'm very sure if you go ahead and set up account on Fiverr, or alternatively we can also look on the Upwork, you will be able to make those $10 or even so much more during the first month that paying for a Canvas Pro subscription will be definitely worth it. So I mentioned the Upwork. If you look on the Upwork and search for logo design jobs, you can see 11,000 something jobs currently posted here from the business owners who are looking for logo designs, and the prices are all sort of levels. With the entry level, you can get quick job for $5, design your logo, get the review on your freelancing profile, and just move on from. When you're getting more experience, when you are quicker, when you have more reviews on your account, you can see the prices going over $1,000. There are jobs like updating a current logo. There are loads and loads of jobs on logo designing, and I know you might have heard this before and you'll be thinking I don't have any designing skills, but you see with the Canva.com you can get it done super easy, and you can just choose and apply for all of these jobs right here, or just set up your gig. You can design some logos, put it here on your portfolio, and get a job and start making some money online. Okay, the next option how you can make money by using Canva.com is creating YouTube branding kits. And what I mean by that, every YouTuber have his channel artwork. There are thumbnails on each video, and you can also get done YouTube intros and outros on Canvas. So first of all, if we search for YouTube thumbnails, there are nearly 5,000 templates you can take and customize it just the same as I showed you with the logo design. Now for the intros and outros, again, if you search YouTube intro, you will see again there are nearly 1,000 templates you can change, and it's just essentially a very short quick video which probably is around 10 seconds or so. Nobody's really looking for long intros. So for example, this one is 9 seconds long, and then if you set up the intro in these colors you can see right here, you use the same style for the thumbnails and for the channel art, and then you can create YouTube branding kit and you can sell it on several websites. You can of course go on Fiverr and on Upwork as well, but I will show you another options you have. Now if we head to site called Etsy.com, you can see if you search for YouTube branding kit, there are many sellers. You get over 1,700 search results, and you can see there are reviews. People are purchasing this product, and if you come here you can clearly see it's all designed with Canva. There is no Photoshop involved or anything like that. So if for example we click on this one, star seller right here, this seller has made over 2,000 sales. Currently this is on sale for £10, which is around $14, and you can see this is just a very clean in minimal style a YouTube branding kit, which gives YouTubers the channel artwork. It gives options for designing thumbnails, end screens, and so on. So altogether this contains 33 elements YouTubers can purchase, including subscribe buttons and things like that. Everything to make sure that YouTube design stays consistent throughout the channel and the videos. And again, you can see there are 161 shop reviews, so not everyone obviously leaves the review, but people are loving this product, and all it takes is for you to come back to Canvas, set up some elements again in the same style for the thumbnails, and what you essentially share is just a link to this design, and then your customers who purchase these kits can come and add their own images. They will be able to change their titles for their videos. You're just giving them preset templates in one style so they can take it from there as well. And as you can see, there are interest and people are buying things like this, and you can get inspiration here how to design, how to set up these kits, and all you need to do is just do them on Canvas, and then you can sell them on Etsy. You can also sell them on Fiverr and Upwork as well, and as well on Envato marketplace, where you can sell your digital products as well. Now last but but not least, the option you can actually make the most of the money, but will take you maybe a little bit more of the time, but I'm sure you have not heard this one before, is designing websites on Canva. So again, if we simply search for a website right here, now you will see there are website templates. There might not be that many as we saw before for the logos or for YouTube thumbnails. However, there are still plenty to choose from, and you can start customizing them and editing them right here on Canva. And what website design essentially is just a placement of elements of text, images, and buttons. So if you think that you need to have some sort of experience or you need to know how to code or the things like that, not anymore. You can simply create website designs, layouts right here on Canvas. So now if we click, for example, this one, this is a fitness related gym website. Okay, again, if you just click on every element right here, you can change them. Another great thing about Canvas is that you can add links. So if you select element, for example, one of these elements, you can ungroup them as well and work on each of the element separately. So if you select all of them and then click ungroup, you will be able to put the link on each of them. So if you select one of these elements and then come up here, you are able to insert the link. So you can just link the Facebook profile of the company who have hired you to do this design right here. But what you essentially are doing is creating layouts. And then again, you can see more templates and select them from here. So for example, I would like to use this one now. If I insert this apply 5 pages, it will give me design and layouts already done for 5 pages. And again, you can change the text style, you can change the images, you can use the images business owner has provided for you. Again, you can just drag and drop them and design the way how you want. So what you do afterwards, you can publish it as a website and Canva will give you URL to share. Now when you click on publish like a website, you have options right here to choose between presentation, scrolling as a single page, classic navigation, standard. So you can play around and see which one you like the best. I personally like a single page site. It's just something that reflects kind of like social media. People are used to scrolling through instead of going and navigating through the pages, so I like a single page scrolling option. So if you click on this one and then click open website, it will give you URL you can share. Now depending on your client, that might be all that you really need. You are getting paid for designing the website, so functionality is upon your client. However they want to do their website, do they want to do coding or use any other website builders, that's up to them. So all you do is design, and you have done this design right here. And then if for example they like the website like it is and they need simple landing pages maybe like that, they can come to Canvas. Again, you can share this link with them and they can set up custom domain on Canvas here as well. So with the Pro account, they will be able to set up to 5 different custom domains on the canvas.com. And if you actually type on Google Canva custom domain, okay, you will get full instructions on how you can connect your domains to Canva. So if this is something you would like me to do another tutorial, please let me know in the comments and I can surely do that. Now if we head back on our website design, you can see you have more options right here. If you click on this menu, you can download this design. You can actually share it as PNG file, for example, first for your client to approve it before you publish it as a website. You can share it on social media, of course. And then the great thing, if you come here and open this more menu, there are so many options including embed, which means that you can click on this and you can get embed code, which then can be used either on WordPress or any web builder that supports embed feature. Like we have done so many video tutorials on this channel about Google Sites, and if you are struggling with dragging and dropping elements on Google Sites, you can come and design your website right here, and then you can just copy and paste the HTML code on your Google site. And again, to sell web designs, you can come to Fiverr, you can come to Upwork, and if we search for website design, you can see 23,000 jobs, again in all sorts of levels and budgets, and you can definitely find some simple ones that doesn't really require any complicated designs, and you can get them done on Canvas. If you come on Fiverr, it's the same thing. I will design website in 10 hours. This seller have 28 orders in the queue with the cheapest package of 77, and again he says responsive WordPress basic website. If your client is using WordPress, as I just showed you, you can simply embed this code on the WordPress as well, and you can design it from here, so that's not a problem. And if we do the quick math right here, so 28 times 77 gives you over 2,000 pounds in 6 days. And altogether, if you look here, he have 1,248 reviews, which means that 1,248, if we multiply that by the cheapest package, is 96,000. That's way over $150,000, and again, that's only the cheapest package and only based on the people who have left the review. So there are plenty of more orders done on this profile. So as I said, all you have to do is just get started. You actually have to take action, create these freelancing platforms, create account on Etsy, create account on Envato, and then go on the Canvas, create some designs you can display for your portfolios. And that's how you set up your account, and that's how you can start making some side hustles and making money online. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, click that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And if you click the notification bell, you will be notified whenever we upload new videos, and we do so every single week. Now go ahead and watch this video as the next one, and I will see you there.